3DME not only reconnects you with your audience and band, but gives you options on how you reconnect. You can easily customize the level you receive from the earpiece's mics to create a balanced mix with the monitor feed. In addition to using the app to control the mic levels in mono or stereo, you can control levels at your body pack using one of two modes. In step mode, the plus and minus buttons adjust the level in steps from minus 24 dB to plus 12 dB as well as off. In set mode, the buttons choose between two preset mic levels. For example, you might want a lower setting when performing and a relatively high level for conversations between songs. And remember, you can even use 3DME without a monitor feed. Then it acts like earplugs with an adjustable level control. This is ideal for rehearsals and even for going to concerts when you want to protect your hearing.